Hello friends, so I've got iPhone 6s here came in. The phone is dead. We don't have any history for this phone. Customer didn't provide any history. They said it was just working and then it died. So let's have a look. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook it with my DC power supply to find out what's going on with it. So I'm going to hook my DC power supply cable. So this shield I removed. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on my DC power supply. As you can see, we don't have any short over there, so it's 0.00 as it should be. So we don't have any VCC main or VD or VCC bad short or anything like that. So now I'm gonna hit the power button. See, as I hit the power button, phone is boot looping. Now boot looping, the amp is abnormal. It is going up and down. So if you have seen my previous videos, then you will notice there one thing is common in this phone as well. Let me show you. You can see, as soon as I hit the power button, the amp is jumping into 0.16 and then 0.20 or something, and then it is going back. So from my experience, when that thing shows up on DC power supply, that is a TRISTAR problem. So that's my experience, because I have did dozens of these TriStar or dead feel like that way. So I always observe on DC power supply what is the behavior of the fault. So it helped me in future. So whenever I observe the DC power supply, then it always help in future. So if I came across something like that problem, so I can recognize with the DC power supply behavior like amp drop. So let me quickly disassemble this phone, and I'm gonna replace the TriStar, and I hope that is gonna fix this problem. So, turn off my power supply. See, this phone never been worked on. This is not water damage either. So it just stopped working. I did ask them if that phone was on charge, then it stopped working. They said no, it just stopped working by its own. So I'm not sure if they knows if that phone was on charge when it died, or just died randomly. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this sticker first, the bottom one. I just pulled sticker safely because I tried to save the sticker because I want to put the sticker back, but sometimes doesn't comes off proper, so I have to use Captain Tape gun. So I'm going to bend this shield a little bit to make space for my tweezer. Now I'm going to use my hot air and gonna pull this TRISTAR. Bit of flux. So yeah. So my hot air temperature is not right. That's what I was saying. Why it is taking too long? That was too low. TRISTAR is off. Now I'm going to clean off these pads. I tried this resistor as well, so I'm gonna put that back. And that's it. So now time for a new TRISTAR. I'm going to put a bit of flux because there wasn't much flux. Okay, that's done. I put bit much flux, but I'm going to clean it off anyway. Just let me double check. Okay, now we are gonna wait for cool it down. So I'll just wait for few minutes. Oh sorry, I didn't switch my camera. So I think it's cool enough. So let's try it and see if that boots up. Seems normal boot draw. Apple logo. Okay, we got touch as well. Yeah, this phone is working. So that was the problem. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video as well. That's why I always say experience matters, because experience is the best tool you will have. So these things I learned from my experience, because I always observe on DC power supply, and I have a oscilloscope as well sitting on my shelf. I will show you what demos of the data lines as well with that oscilloscope. But what I do, I always observe the behavior of the current drop, how the current is phone is consuming current, because if you know the behavior of the phone, that is like constant, like when TRISTAR fails you should observe on the DC power supply. Okay, not only in one phone, any phone. Okay, this phone TRISTAR failed, so what is the DC power supply symptoms? So with many phone, when you are going to do, then you that thing is going to come up in your mind, because I didn't knew about that this is a star. When I saw eventually on that the current drop on my DC power supply, then from my past experience I eventually jumped into the TriStar, and I didn't wasted any single time to look anything else. I just jumped into that one, I replaced it, and the problem is solved. So that's how we can resolve this issue. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video as well. So please like and subscribe my channel, and try to share this video as soon as much as you can, and then I will see you another time with new video. Take care. Bye bye.